Hello, friends. I'm happy to be here with you today. We're gonna make something from some words, word art. And I have here a book of Rumi poems translated by Coleman Barks that I just absolutely love. And there's a poem called Be Melting Snow, and the words I'm gonna use come from the part where it says, "Lo, I'm with you always" means when you look for God, God is in the look of your eyes, in the thought of looking, nearer to you than yourself or things that have happened to you. So that's a really cool thought. I like that. And so what I'm going to do, because I have this paper, which is about this big, I'm going to put the part that says, God is in the look of your eyes, because that's part of it. So if you wanted to, you could start with a pencil. If you wanted to lightly draw in the words and then go over them with something dark like a marker, but I like to wing it and see what happens. So start by making a rectangle just inside of the size of the paper. I'm using like a dark indigo blue marker. Okay, and then God is in the look of your eyes. So I'm gonna draw my letters so that they touch the edges in some places and they touch each other as I'm going and writing them in. So God, I'm gonna put is here. God is in So I'm not writing exactly like I would write if I was, writing it in a book or whatever. God is in the look of your eyes. Sometimes they'll just touch each other. Sometimes they'll touch the letters up above. Because what that's doing is it's making spaces that you can color in later. God is in the look of your eyes. Oopsie, I'm running out of room. I'll do eyes coming down this way. Ooh, that barely fit. Okay, God is in the look of your eyes. Okay? Then if you wanted to, you could draw like extra lines in here and stuff, but I'm gonna leave it like this. Then what I'm gonna do is take some crayons, or you could use markers too. And I'm gonna color in some of these spaces, particularly the ones where the letters make a space, like with the other letters or the edge of the paper. See how that's starting to do? also, of course, obviously, color in any place. Sometimes I'll just stop the color where I want to, like I might color over here, even though there's not really a line. Or maybe I'll finish that actually down into this part. Right? And as you keep going, you'll probably end up leaving a bunch of white too. Sometimes I color inside of the letters. They make little shapes already. So it's kind of a cool thing to do to create your own thing to color. Also, it's kind of like a cool poster of like a quote you like, or a Bible verse, or maybe you just make up your own words of something. Write down an affirmation. As you keep going, see how cool it gets? I'm gonna color more pieces in here. See how it turns out. A lot of art is about just seeing what happens when you cooperate with the art materials. Okay, I'll see you later. Have a great day.